Hello everyone, welcome to our mathematics channel 360 degree mathematics. Today's video is for the preliminary concept of progression chapter. This is an algebraic chapter. Progression has three parts: arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. Progression implies some numbers will be situated in a certain manner, that may be in plus minus form, that may be in division into form, or that may be in reciprocal form. Today we will only focus the primary concept of arithmetic progression, which is shortly called AP, and this is a famous chapter, an important chapter for class 11 and 12, also 9, 10. What is AP? If some numbers are in order in such a manner that the common difference between two successive numbers is always equal, that is, direction or dimension may be increasing order or may be in decreasing order. Just I give an example. The numbers are 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. Here first term is 2, second term is 5. The difference between second term and first term is 5 minus 2, 3. To be AP, the second difference also must be 3. That is 8 minus 5. Our series progression was 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. That is, difference between 2 and 5 is 3. Difference between 5 and 8 is 3. Difference between 8 and 11 is 3. And difference between 11 and 14 is 3. That is, when common difference is same, then the progression is called arithmetic progression. Now the question arises whether this difference is always positive. No, difference may be positive or may be negative, but difference may not be 0. Suppose the number is 14, 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Here the nature of the progression is decreasing nature. That is, 14, then the second number is less than the first number, that is decreasing nature. Third number is less than the second number. 14, 11, 8, 5, 2. Hence the common difference between first and second term is 11 minus 14, that is minus 3. Next, 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Next, 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. Here also, here the difference is negative, but the difference is same, equal. The primary condition to be AP is that common difference must be same always. The difference may be of any amount, any number, that is 1, difference is 1, that is also AP. Difference is 2, that is also AP. Difference is minus 3, that is also AP. Difference is minus 5, that is also AP. That is, if I consider the progression is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, that is natural number. This is also AP, because 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Here common difference is 1. If the natural numbers are in decreasing manner, that is 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, then the common difference is minus 1. Whatever may be the common difference, that must be equal. This is the primary condition for the formation of an AP. In the AP chapter, we will focus three things. First one is the position of the term, and so called, this is called nth term, that is nth position of a term. Number 2, sum of the terms, sum of n terms. That is, you have 100 terms. By calculator, it may be difficult to calculate 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000 or 1 to 1 lakh, but by AP you can calculate easily by AP property. Number 3 is arithmetic mean. When a number is between two numbers which are in AP, then the middle number is called arithmetic mean. In the next video, we will do some problems on these three matter, that is that is nth term, that is sum of n terms, and arithmetic mean. And this is all about today. Please keep watching our video for new updates and videos. Thank you all for watching this video.